A family, the last of their kind.
Getting here isn't easy. The road disappears long before the map does. Somewhere beyond these forests, this is a village surrounded by one of Africa's last untouched rainforests. And deep inside, something rare still survives. The village sits at the edge of the forest where the road ends and the real journey begins. For generations, these communities have shared the land with one of the rarest primates on Earth.
Them don't come again, now those people where they find gorilla. Forest deep or make them follow Baba.
You come find gorillas? Yes, we were told you know the forest. I done track the many years now. But you must follow quiet. From here, we no go talk loud again. Gorillas, they hear everything, even footstep.
How far?
If they're still there this side, we go see sign first.
Forest begins to close behind us. This is one of the last strongholds of the Cross River gorilla. Fewer than 300 remain, hidden inside these mountains.
This is steep. I hear them like pass. Gorilla know they use easy road. If you see broken leaves, then pass no long.
The Cross River Rainforest isn't just remote, it's vertical. Every step deeper becomes harder to follow and easier to disappear. Wait, you hear that?
Fresh, them sleep here last night. You see leaves still green?
How close are they?
Still there around.
A fresh nest, built from bent branches and leaves, still green, still warm. Means only one thing. The gorillas are near.
No move.
You see teeth marks, they are not far.
We are getting closer.
This way, quietly now.
From above, their world is shrinking.
Forest is broken due to human settlement. Gorillas trapped, they can't see or meet each other during mating seasons.
Stop. Something moved.
Silverback.
We are being watched. A family, the last of their kind.
Very few remain now. We are so lucky to see them, because most people search for weeks without seeing them.
And just like that, they disappear back into the forest. Hidden, silent, surviving in fragments of a shrinking world.